Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. So guys, over the past few weeks I've been showing you guys swimwear pieces that you can make, and this is no exception. Before I go on, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube know that yes, I am giving you amazing content. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this reversible bralette. Now guys, you guys know me already on this channel. I'm a reversible queen, so I create pieces that you can wear in multiple ways, and this one is no different. So for this, I'm going to be making this reversible bralette that you can wear as an undergarment and even an outerwear basically. So guys, let's get started with this video. Now guys, for this you're going to measure your bust circumference divided by 4. So in my case, my bust measurement divided by 4 is 8.5 inches, and then I'm going to create a square that is 8.5 by 8.5. So I'm using a size 6 measurement, and that's what I'm measuring right here. So guys, you're going to cut 4 pieces, 2 for each side. Now guys, what we're going to do first is we're going to take our pieces, place it right sides facing like this. So guys, place it right sides facing and then fold it just like I'm folding in a triangle. So can you guys see? And then pick up the end of the slanted side and place it on the entire fabric just like this. So just follow exactly what I'm doing in the video. Then what we're going to do is we're going to cut it out just like this. So I'm just going to keep these squares. I know I'm going to use it for something else in my scrap collection. And then to avoid this pointy part, I'm going to use a curved ruler to create a curve. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to take one of the pieces now, fold it right sides facing, and then sew it from the beginning to the end just like that, using 1/2 inch seam allowance. So just like that, do it for all the 4 pieces. So use this to cut on the black piece. So in your case, whatever fabric you have, use it to cut it and then sew it down. So guys, these are the pieces. Now you're going to snip all the corners so that you don't have any bumps when you're turning it to the right side. So snip the curves and iron it with your ironing ball before, turning it to the other side. Now guys, now that I've done that, I'm going to take my pieces, 2 different pieces, and place it right sides facing each other. And then take your bias tape, use it to form a strap. So you know how we always do, fold it into 2, sew it down, and then place it in between these 2 pieces. So can you guys see? Place it in between these 2 pieces like this, pin it down and sew it on the 2 sides. Now your strap should be really long. In my case, I cut out about 50 inches per strap so that I can use it to lace up the back once I'm done. So it's going to serve as the only strap I'm going to be using for this entire piece. So I'm not going to be using a separate strap for my lace up back. It's going to be the same strap for everything. So cut out about 50 inches each for each side and then sew it down just like this. Now guys, this is what it looks like. All you have to do is turn it inside out just like this. My brain running from the past, won't escape my pain. Now guys, the next thing I'm going to do is take this piece right here. It is my underbust circumference minus 2 inches. So my underbust minus 2 inches, that's what I have right here. And what I'm going to do is fold it into 2 and find the center. So I'm going to mark the center, and then I'm going to place my piece with the corresponding side because the black side also has its own band. So I'm going to place it about 1/4 inch away from that center. Now you can put it exactly on the center if you don't want any space in between. If I can see my dream. Then I'm going to take the other one 1/4 inch after the center again to the other side and then pin it down from there. So what you're going to do now, after pinning, you're going to sew it down on that spot right there. And then once you're done sewing, you're going to take the second back piece, so the band basically for the other side, place it right sides facing and then sew it from one end to the other. So can you guys see? Sew it all around, like on that line, basically from one end to the other. And guys, I have sewn it down. This is what it looks like. Now we're going to be using the burrito style to sew this together. So what you're going to do is you're going to roll the entire piece, including the straps, everything, in between these two bands. So can you guys see what I'm doing carefully? Roll everything inside and then place it in between the band. And what you're now going to do is you're going to sew it from one end to the other end of the open space. So don't sew the two sides, only sew the bottom. And guys, this is what it looks like after I've done it. I'm going to just turn it inside out. It's wide enough to just pull it out. So pull everything out just like this. And this is what you're going to have basically. So can you guys see? So what we're now going to do is we're going to go to the side, the open sides basically. And we're going to fold it in by 1/2 inch just like this. And then pin it down so that we can be able to put our loops easily. Now I'm going to use my bias tape to create loops again and cut out 6 pieces of 2 inches each, so 3 for each side. And then I'm going to just start putting the loops in. So one is going to be at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom.
I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one started the outlaws for profit. All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake one.
Once that is inserted, sew it down on both sides and you're done. So guys, you can also add cups to this particular bralette, this triangle cups that I made in one of my previous videos. I'm going to link it down so that you guys can check it out. So what you're going to basically do is just lose a bit of the cups basically and put it inside so that you can have that padding under your cups basically, and it's not compulsory, so you can still wear it just like this. So what I'm going to do is lace up the back with my strip and I am done. I am ready to rock my bralette. It looks beautiful. It is reversible. I love what I'm seeing. I love this so much. It looks beautiful. You can try it in any color, any fabric, any design. It will turn out amazing. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Creations. I will be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers on social media and even here on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe. Like this video. It helps YouTube know that I'm giving you great content. Comment in the comment section if you have any questions, encouraging words, whatever you have to say. You can put it in the comment section and I'll be ready to reply as soon as I see it. Please also watch out for more amazing content on this channel. More swimwear pieces coming out on the channel. Others that I've posted, you guys can go check it out. I'm going to link it in the description box so that you guys can check it out. And that's it guys for this video. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.